Hi, my name is Joe Moriarty. I'm a traditional builder from Swansea. I completed the NVQ in traditional solid plastering at the Towie Centre in 2014. Since then, I've worked with some of the leading conservation-based companies in South Wales, working on buildings across South Wales and into southern England. And I've recently finished my MSc in Sustainable Building Conservation at the Welsh School of Architecture in Cardiff. I decided to do the course because at the time, as I said, I was working for a general builder, and I had noticed a correlation between damp buildings and sand and cement. And then, having done research, discovered that we were probably using the wrong materials and the wrong methods. The amount of work in the heritage sector it would depend on what you class as the heritage sector. In Wales, a large percentage of our housing stock are traditional solid wall buildings. So it's not necessarily about the glamour projects working on grand listed buildings, which for me is nice, but it's more working on the more traditional vernacular buildings, which tend to tell a little bit more of a story about the people that lived there, why they lived there, and that sort of thing. One bit of advice I would give anybody thinking of joining the course would be to come into it with an open mind, because if, like me, you came through the traditional apprenticeship route and did an NVQ level 2, then the chances are a lot of what you're going to learn on the course is sort of the flip side of what you're taught in the level 2. I found that the NVQ has definitely been worth doing. Maybe not in the sense of the qualification, but in the sense that it's opened up so many doors and improved my knowledge of traditional buildings to the point where I wanted to learn more. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it to anybody that has an interest in traditional buildings. Then definitely it would be something I would recommend.